College football fans are known to hold signs saying they want Bama, as in they want the challenge that comes with playing a perennial juggernaut like the Crimson Tide.
Well, with today's news, universities might still want to play Bama, but they probably don't want to be Bama. 500 cases of the coronavirus have now been reported on the Tuscaloosa campus. Classes have been in session for less than a week.
Alabama's president called the case spike unacceptable and said anyone caught partying or ignoring social guidelines could be suspended. The mayor has ordered bars to close.
So why are we talking so much about a school in a different state? Well, because the way things are playing out at CU Boulder, it's not out of the question it could happen right here too.
Denver 7's Sean TOWLE joins us tonight from campus. Sean?
Yeah, CU has identified a number of students who took part in a bunch of different gatherings over the weekend, and school administrators are now having to threaten the students if that conduct continues. Campus at CU looks a little different this fall semester. Students in masks, outdoor study tents for social distancing. But it's what hasn't changed that's causing concern now.
A lot of these students went to parties and large gatherings on the University Hill neighborhood.
We did a lot of work over the summer to help us prepare for this.
But the weekend drew a number of large gatherings on and off campus.
I'm just looking for some accountability, honestly.
Senior Miles Levin is upset in seeing what happened in just the first weekend.
We see that off-campus things can contribute to spread on campus and vice versa.
I've been spending a good amount of time over on the Hill and visiting with residents there and just trying to come up with strategies.
Those strategies include prevention, which didn't necessarily work last weekend, but also changing the code of conduct and the consequences.
Ask them in a very polite way, hey, change your behavior. Then it gets increasingly progressive, meaning that if we have repeat offenders, if you would, then it can lead to suspension.
And the county health department doesn't like what it saw either.
These kind of gatherings will no doubt increase illness, hospitalization, and possibly even death among our Boulder County residents. So it's incredibly disappointing. And it's really difficult to address.
They're looking to come up with new ways to try to reach the students and provide other socialization options. But most students are looking for the rules to be followed so they don't see another spike.
I think right now it's just so important that we have a responsibility to protect our communities.
The county health department says it will take more steps if it needs to if this happens. They are convinced that the school is doing everything they can to help, but if this all continues, CU and the health department are going to have to work to find new solutions. Reporting live in Boulder, Sean TOWLE, Denver 7.
Sean, thank you.